If you're a coffee enthusiast who enjoys crafting the perfect cup of joe at home, this Ovente French Press coffee maker might be your next favorite kitchen companion. With a sleek, modern design and a focus on functionality, this French press promises to transform your daily coffee ritual into a rich, bold experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details and explore why the Ovente French Press could be the perfect addition to your coffee-making arsenal. The Ovente French Press isn't just any coffee maker. It combines simplicity with high-quality craftsmanship, allowing you to brew barista-level coffee in your own kitchen. What sets this French press apart from others is its 4-level stainless steel filter system and heat-resistant borosilicate glass. The stainless steel filter ensures that the natural oils from your coffee beans are retained, giving your cup of coffee a full-bodied, bold flavor without the sediment that traditional coffee makers often leave behind. The borosilicate glass carafe is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring that your French press is safe to use and built to last. Plus, the stainless steel cover and handle add a touch of elegance, making this French press both functional and stylish. One of the standout features of the Ovente French Press is its versatility. While it's perfect for making traditional French press coffee, its design allows for much more. You can use it to brew tea, cappuccinos, or even herbal infusions. Want to froth milk for a latte? This French press can handle that too. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or an adventurous tea lover, the Ovente French Press offers endless possibilities. Pro tip: before brewing, let your coffee grounds bloom by adding a small amount of hot water and letting it sit for 30 seconds. This helps release the rich flavors and aromas, giving your coffee an extra depth of flavor. What truly makes the Ovente French Press shine is its 4-level filtration system. This system consists of multiple layers of mesh that allow the natural oils and fine particles of coffee grounds to pass through, resulting in a brew that's rich, aromatic, and smooth. Say goodbye to paper filters that strip your coffee of its complex flavors. Instead, enjoy a cup of coffee that's full-bodied and satisfying. Safety and durability are 2 key factors when choosing a French press, and the Ovente delivers on both fronts. The carafe is made from borosilicate glass, a type of glass that's resistant to thermal shock. This means it can handle high temperatures without cracking or shattering, making it perfect for brewing hot beverages like coffee or tea. The stainless steel cover and handle are not just for looks. They provide additional durability and ensure that the French press is easy to handle, even when hot. No more worrying about burning your hands while pouring your coffee. The Ovente French Press comes with thoughtful extras that enhance your coffee-making experience. First, it includes a replacement filter, so you can always have a fresh cup of coffee, even after extended use. It also comes with a 7-gram measuring spoon, ensuring that you get the perfect amount of coffee grounds for every brew. The glass carafe even has a measurement guide, so you'll never have to guess how much water to add. When it comes to cleaning, the Ovente French Press is a breeze to maintain. The glass carafe can be easily hand-washed with mild soap, and the stainless steel components resist stains and odors, keeping your French press looking pristine. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the coffee lover in your life? The Ovente French Press makes an excellent choice. Its sleek design, ease of use, and ability to brew delicious, bold coffee make it the perfect gift for both experienced baristas and novices alike. It's also a great option for travelers who want to enjoy freshly brewed coffee on the go, thanks to its portable size and sturdy build. With a brand like Ovente, you're not just buying a coffee maker, you're investing in quality and reliability. Ovente is known for its high standards and attention to detail, and the French press coffee maker is no exception. Backed by a 1-year warranty and US-based customer service, you can buy with confidence, knowing that Ovente stands behind its products. Final thoughts. Is the Ovente French Press worth it? If you're serious about your coffee and want to enjoy a rich, full-bodied brew every morning, the Ovente French Press coffee maker is a solid investment. Its 4-level stainless steel filtration system ensures that you get the most flavor out of your coffee beans, while the borosilicate glass and stainless steel design provide durability and style. Whether you're brewing coffee, tea, or frothing milk for a latte, this French press can do it all. So is it worth it? Absolutely. With its versatility, durability, and ability to brew a bold cup of coffee, the Ovente French Press coffee maker is a must-have for any coffee lover. Don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.